Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your MacBook is awake and at the login or desktop screen. Locked screens can block interaction. Once ready, place one hand on Command and the other on F5. On models with function key behavior enabled, include the FN key. Press Command plus F5 to toggle VoiceOver immediately. This is the fastest direct control because it calls the System Accessibility Service. Once done, listen for the VoiceOver chime or a short announcement confirming that it has turned off. If the keyboard toggle doesn't work, open System Settings and go to Accessibility, then VoiceOver. Click the VoiceOver pane and turn the switch to off. The system may speak as it changes state, so allow a few seconds for the service to stop. Make sure you're using an administrator account when changing accessibility services because some settings need confirmation. Once it's off, close Settings and verify you no longer hear spoken feedback. If you still do, move on to the next cleanup step. Finish by restarting if VoiceOver stubbornly continues. A reboot clears stuck accessibility agents. Make sure your keyboard settings aren't forcing function keys to act as media keys. That can change how Command plus F5 behaves. Adjust F1, F12 behavior or press FN as needed. If VoiceOver still returns, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party utility is re-enabling it. One key troubleshooting tip. If a specific app immediately reactivates VoiceOver, quit or remove that app and then repeat the toggle to restore normal behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.